So I've logged in as administrator user, admin user, and I have a link to my update admin page, so I click here. But if I go back and refresh it, it shows the update table, but it doesn't show my clients' names. It just shows their number. But if I click on update table, it takes me to my update admin page, and it goes, and so let's say I want to update it with my first name as the, I push update, and it says I need to please complete all information for the update to work. And then it shows all of my information that I wanted to update in the browser bar. But here, if we go here and I want to modify something, it takes me to this, and then when I push update product, it just goes to index.php rather than showing everything. So I don't know what's going on because mine is not updating. It's telling me to please complete all information for the update to work. So I went into my index to figure this out. And I figured, well, I will get rid of the empty message just to see if that's causing an issue. So I take the empty message out, then I save it, hoping that it'll put me to another thing, but no, it says, sorry, but updating your account has failed. Please try again. So let's go back here and undo that. And I have just been looking, and all I can think is it's got to be something right in here. So Kenneth, I really appreciate this. If you can be of any help, I'd appreciate it. If not, I understand. This is a really hard week. It's been knocking a lot of people out. Anyways, thank you.